I'm going to have beans on toast for lunch. If you're an American watching this, you think this is all we ever eat in Britain. That's not quite true, but we do like them. But anyway, here is the problem. Here you go, my beans. I've got 2 pieces of government-issue British sliced bread. There is a full tin of Heinz baked beans on those 2 pieces of toast, and as you can see, it's slightly too much, because I think the beans should occupy the middle of the bread and you should leave the edges free. So you're thinking, as one screaming at me from the collective sofas of the nation, Heinz have answered this because they have made the small tin of beans, which is half the size. But of course, that doesn't work. I'm going to prove it to you in case you don't believe me. Obviously, half a size tin of beans will still be too much for 1 piece of toast, because that's half the amount of toast, and it won't be enough for 2 pieces. As we shall now see, I've already done 2 more pieces of toast, exactly the same specification, but now the half-size tin of beans, and not quite enough beans. Now, canned food has been at a pretty much a standardised size for a very long time, and for obvious reasons. But should there not be a can between the little one and the big one? And I noticed something else interesting just now as I was doing this. As usual, I use the word interesting in a very, very qualified way. But the big tin of beans has a net weight of 415 grams. The half-size tin of beans weighs, net weight, 200 grams. It's slightly less than half. It's all very well saying there's 415 grams of beans in there, but why does it not say how many beans there are in the tin? And what is the correct number of beans to go on 2 government-issue pieces of toast? And therefore, what is the right amount of sauce? Let's do that.